If you love fresh produce and want to make a difference, we've got something special for you. Join us at 360 Farms in tackling food insecurity. Here at 360 Farms and Winery, we're not just growing crops, we're growing hope. Every carrot we harvest helps put nutritious food on the tables of local families in need. Carrots are incredibly versatile. You can toss them in salads, add them to stews, or even blend them into smoothies. Plus, they're easy to grow. Just plant them in loose, sandy soil and make sure it's free of rocks to let those roots stretch out. By partnering with 360 Albany, we're ensuring that fresh produce reaches those who need it most, making a real dent in food insecurity in our community. Want to get involved? Visit us at 801 W Highland Ave, Albany, or call 229-800-1360 for more info on our food programs and how you can help. Together, let's make a difference, one carrot at a time.